Doesn't apply to bikes, but what's worse than being stuck behind a tractor? Stuck behind another tractor. And another tractor. And another tractor. I can see people in my mirrors trying to overtake them. Either it's extreme farming or there's some tractor event going on. Another one just going round and round about ahead. And another one in front of me. Big sacks. I wonder if there's any more up that way. That's the way to the agricultural college. Blimey. That's not good. Look like a caravan and a car over. And a lorry's got into them, dear me. Hope everyone's alright. Now I'm in two minds on this one. Clearly, that's not the correct use of hazard lights. But on the other hand, people who think that's a good way of driving are a hazard. So is it right, really? Not paying quite enough attention there, Mr. Taxi Driver. I have to say though, that set of lights is appalling. I've grumbled about it before. It's the one that managed to make German news for being so appalling. Coming the other way and turning right, there are actually 4 sets of lights to get through on what used to be a very small roundabout. And those 4 sets of lights are not timed well, so you tend to get at least 3 of them red. It's a windy day on the bridge today, which means you've got to watch out for these towers where the wind isn't. What are you doing? What are you doing? Should be pink, surely.